Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Ave in Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful brand new 2022 Ford Escape SEL. The exterior color is a star white, and under the hood we have a 2.5-liter hybrid paired to a ECVT transmission. At the front we have automatic headlamps, fog lamps, and engine block heater. Over to the side we have 18-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Michelin tires, as well as color matching handles and mirror caps. This 2022 Escape also comes with remote start and remote keyless entry. At the rear we have a power lift tailgate as well as a rear camera with reverse sensing systems. At the interior we have loads of driver friendly features such as power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, and door storage. As you move into the cabin you'll see our lovely black leather seating with adjustments and lumbar support located on the side. Over to our steering column we have our automatic headlamp settings, as well as our tilt steering wheel, the cruise control options on the left, and media and hands-free options on the right. Just above is our rear view mirror, with our cabin lighting and a beautiful moonroof. As you look ahead at our center face, you'll see we have many options available such as audio, phone integration, apps, settings, as well as this 2022 Explorer also includes Sirius XM radio and Ford Pass Connect. Just below we have our climate control area, which includes our air conditioning and heating for the entire seat cabin, as well as heated seats and a heated steering wheel. Our middle console offers dual cup holders, a dial gear shift, as well as tons of storage. Our rear passengers have access to power windows as well as door storage. And moving into the back of the cabin, we have our bench seating, which provides plenty of leg space, as well as lots of headroom. If there are any more questions about this beautiful 2022 Ford Escape SEL, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. I'd like to thank you for shopping with us at Boundary Ford.